Have you ever thought about writing a book? Come on now, be truthful. Research show that 1 in 4 people have the desire to write a book. It's on their bucket list. So watch this video because this is the chance of a lifetime for you to make that dream come true. It's all about timing. And when I started to pen my memoirs, My Life is a Lemon, back in 2012, I didn't finish it until 2020. And I know you say, wait a minute, I can't listen to you if it took you 8 years. Let me just be clear. It was a memoir. And I was still the character I was writing about. And if you've ever heard the saying, you can't paint a picture while you're in the frame, well, honey, I was in the frame. So I'm coming here with my learned knowledge to share with you in a 6-module free online self-paced course for you to go from concept to completion. Putting your ideas from up here on the shelf. Now just imagine with me for a moment, being able to give your friends and family your book for Christmas, birthdays, or a raffle if you have a business. How amazing is that? It is the one thing, outside of kids, that says you were here. It'll be your gift to the world and to yourself for being able to scratch that off your bucket list. Yes or yes. If you're starting from scratch or needing some help to complete your manuscript, this course will guide you each step of the way. How exciting. A lot of times we don't get things started because we don't know where to start or we don't know what the middle looks like. But imagine having a course or a coach to walk you through the process and also meet you at the finish line to celebrate with you. That is what your side of the story offers. So what do you get for going through this comprehensive workshop? First, there are 6 focused modules, so you can learn and perfect your craft at your own pace. My suggestion is 2 to 4 hours per week, but only you know what your schedule permits. There's more in the course that helps you write a writing schedule as well. Secondly, you have weekly homework. So each module allows you to bridge the gap between the previous module and the upcoming one to continuously reinforce what you've learned and give you space to put it into action. And expert guidance. You will receive insider tips, strategies, and personalized support to help you refine your voice to tell your side of the story. So it doesn't matter what genre you're writing in, whether it's nonfiction, fiction, sci-fi, this is the place for you. If you've got a story to tell, this course will allow you and help you tell it. Oh, and I left out the best part. Join a community of like-minded people. So if you click the school community below and join this free course, you're in good company, baby, because you're on a journey with other writers aspiring or who have completed that journey. So you got that support as well. Having knowledge is one thing. Having applied knowledge will get it done, but having that support along the way will really allow you to embrace the experience and not get caught up on the things you don't know that you don't know, right? So please click the link below, join our free community, and I cannot wait to hear your side of the story. I'm your girl. I'm advocate author F.M. Ellis. You can call me Faye. I'll see you in the classroom. Peace.